warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from
second group.
We will tell you about what is flood. But before watching our video, let's me introduce our member group. My name is Yulianti Magfiroh.
My name is Rahma Agfanisa.
My name is Farras Ahdiyat.
My name is Urmila.
My name is Hanny.
Let's check it out.
The definition of flood is the overflow of river flow due to water exceeding the river storage capacity, so the overflows and inundates the surrounding plains or lower areas.
Cause of flood. The factors that cause flood are as follows. 1. Rain. Over a long period of time or the amount of rainfall for days. 2. Soil erosion. Living rocks that cause rainwater to flow over the ground without infiltration. 3. Poor waste management, which close the water channels until the body of water overflows and flooded the surrounding area. 4. The state of the soil and soil plants that are overgrown with plants have a large water absorption capacity. Soil covered with cement, paving, or asphalt does not absorb water at all. Deforestation can also be a cause of flooding. 5. Construction of residential areas, where vacant land is converted into roads or parking lots causing loss of rainwater absorption. This problem often occurs in big cities whose development is not well planned. 6. Damage dams and waterways. Although it doesn't happen often, it can cause flooding, especially during the long heavy rainy season.
The next is flood impact. Primary impact, physical damage, able to damage various types of structure, including bridges, cars, buildings, highways, and roads. Secondary impact. Point 1. Water supply. Water contamination. Clean drinking water is becoming scarce. 2. Illness, unhygienic conditions, spread of waterborne diseases. 3. Agriculture and food supply. Scarcity of agricultural produce is caused by crop failure. 4. Trees. Species that don't live will die because they can't breathe. 5. Transportation. Transportation routes are destroyed. It is difficult to send emergency aid to people in need. Tertiary or term impacts. Long economy. Economic hardship due to decreased number of tourists. Rebuilding costs, food storages which drive up price, etc.
Next is flood prevention. We can prevent flooding with some effort. Number 1. The government should regulate licensing for the construction of buildings, houses, shopping centers, or other buildings. Number 2. Make irrigated channel put by the government and the people. Number 3. Keeping the environment clean. Number 4. The government must act decisively against illegal logging in Indonesian forests. Number 5. Caring for planting trees. Number 6. The government and the community must work together to rehabilitate rivers.
How to deal with floods. A. Before the floods. First, determine a location that can be used as a location shelter. Second, train yourself and family members on what to do in the event of flood disaster. Third, discuss with all family members the place where family members will gather after the disaster occurs. Fourth, preparing items, etc. required in the event of a flood. 5. Forming a flood control community group. 6. Build or assign location and evacuation route in case of flooding. 7. Maintain the cleanliness of drains and ways.
When there is a flood, what we have to do is 1. Don't panic. 2.
Continue to monitor weather development and be careful to anticipating the unknown. 3. When you see water coming in, move away from the flooded area as quickly as possible to higher ground. 4. If trapped in the house, search for objects that can float. 5. Listen for emergency information about flood. 6. Be careful with electricity. 7. Turn off equipment, electricity, or power such recover valuables. 8. Monitor water level condition. 9. Use clean water efficiently. Thank you for watching our video. We hope this video can help you to know more about flood. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.